Good morning to all. My name is Monesh. I am from Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Science and Rajampeta. This is for enhanced security and wireless charging of electric vehicles along with solar tracking panel. Nowadays the charging electric vehicles major problem. So the charging stations are advocate in number and charging in serious problems, and customers or drivers has to wait for prolonged time to get the chance to charge vehicles. This problem to avoid the renewable sources by using the renewable sources of solar panels. It is the best solution for the charging systems of electric vehicles. In this system, the solar panel replaces the solar tracking panel. It is an auto tracking controller system, including the components like PV cells, PLC signals, processing sensors, electromagnetic and mechanical motion of the modules, and power supply. And another one is nowadays the security problem is very numeric issues in the electric vehicles. So in this case, by adding the feature of electric vehicles present day can operate with the key or remote entering in and starting purpose. If the key or remote are lost or theft, the valuable items like medicines, jewelries, documents and other valuable items are inside the car. At this case, we could not do anything, and also we can replace the new key. The much more time will be consumed. So we avoid these problems to develop the security system with automated sensing introduced by the use of both RFID and fingerprint sensor system to maintain the valid access of a person to secured places. In this, there are three main objectives are there. One is the RFID and fingerprint sensors are used to increase security in electric vehicles, and wireless charging is used in some locations to eliminate the wire transmission systems. And another one is in order to combat the issues, we use solar tracking panels that automatically follow the direction of the sun. With electrical vehicles, this solar energy is used to recharge the batteries. In this, the main components are Arduino, RFID reader and RFID fingerprint, and solar tracking panel, servo motor and LED display. The Arduino is the art of in this hardware component. The Arduino main thing used for the Arduino UNO board. The Arduino is an open circuit source of project for creating intelligent objects that can recognize and manage physical object. This is for fingerprint model. Fingerprint model is the most sophisticated and widely used biometric technology. Is fingerprint based authentication. The term fingerprint validation refers to roboticized method for determining whether two human fingerprint matches. In this, mainly 3 points are there. One is enrollment, researching and verification are the 3 crucial processes involved in fingerprint processing. One of this function, enrollment, plays a crucial role in capturing a fingerprint image from the sensors. This is for RFID reader. When our card frequency and the RFID reader frequency will be matched, then the door will be open. This is for solar tracking panel. The solar tracking panel is to move along with sun direction. This solar energy will optimize technology designed to boost solar panel systems energy output. A solar tracker and solar panel are combined to achieve this. A sun tracking of solar panel is, in a nutshell, contains a solar tracker device that detects and tracks the sun movement as it moves throughout the day. Because of solar panel trackers are made to either passively or actively follow the path of sun throughout the day. Our panels are always directly facing the sun, making them potentially the most potential kind of solar energy technology. This is for servo motor. Servo motor is often known as servo. It's self-contained electric device used to precisely spin or push machine elements. Servos as a common component to toys, home electronics, automobiles and aircrafts. You employ servo if you have a radio controller module cars, helicopters or plane. Servos moves levers back and forth in model car or aircraft to regulate the wing surface or control the steering. This is IR sensor. IR sensor is an electronic device called as infrared sensor. Is used to measure and detect infrared radiation in its immediate environment. What is infrared radiation then? Electromagnetic radiation with wavelength longer than visible light, if referred to as infrared radiation, also known as infrared light. This is for LCD display. LCD means liquid crystal display. It is a flat, thin electronic visual is known as liquid crystal display. Information is displayed on monitoring using LCD, which is available in a variety of manufacture and sizes. It has character printed on it by security to which it is connected. Moreover, LCD allows you have to visible display Unicode visibles and characters and transitions and flows. This is for LDR sensor. LDR means light dependent resistor. When light is more, the resistance will be low. When light is low, the resistance will be high. Connection of electric vehicles. The input is given to the Arduino, like so like this, and the supply 5 volts with help of adapter. In this Arduino, by using laptops, to give the 2 human fingerprints input to the door locking or unlocking systems, and the working of in this electric vehicles, when supply is given, the car will be run like the LCD display like shown this to insert the card or place the fingerprint by using the RFID card. So the door will be opened and door will be locked, and by using card also the door will be open like this. Another type, by using the fingerprint, the door will be open and the fingerprint will be. This is for wireless charging systems. This is transmitter coil, and this is for receiving coil. When receiver coil will place on the transmitter coil, the electric vehicle will be charged like show this type of indication. This is for charging of electric vehicles. Finally, I conclude that the world is being modernized day by day, and it needs a technological backup with stronger protection and security of valuable secret code, hiding data and items. This work has the very purpose of providing robust security systems with automatic sensing and operating action to access or decline. It is developed a safety, security and imparable to buffer this security system. Security is maintained with sequential operation of RFID and fingerprint sensors, and without the missing of one or access is denied. And also development of the electric vehicle technology, charging infrastructure and grid integration areas. Electric vehicles popularity is expected to grow significantly over the next decade. In this case, reduction in the global environmental impact will come from the marketing of electric vehicles. Also, by supplying the electricity with a solar panel that follows the position of the sun automatically. By adding up this, enhance the battery power of long drive by adding the renewable energy sources. Technology offers the potentially for battery power efficiency, lower environmental impact, lower life cycles, cost, and greater comfort and safety operating benefits.